Hi, welcome back to my channel Virtual World. Today we are going to look over how we can save Excel. To save your Excel, you can either click on Quick Access toolbar, the save option, or you can click on File tab, Save As or Save, browse the location wherever you want to save your file. Either it can be your drive or your system. Give some name. So let's say if I write it as sample data, let's say. Choose the location and just hit save option to save your file. The next way to save your file is using the shortcut key, that is Ctrl and S. So you can press Ctrl and S together to save your Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Virtual World.